am very disappointed. It's because wala siyang light. Oh! Hala! Nagla-light! Nagla-light! Hello Mimilis, welcome back to another video, and today's video we are going to have another unboxing by Apple. So, ito guys, nabili ko siya from iTech. Ayan, as always, I am loyal to iTech. Sa kanila ako kumukuha ng mga Apple products. And check their website guys, ito. Yung nabili ko kasi is the Apple iPad Magic Keyboard. Ayan. The reason na binili ko siya guys, siguro deserve ko naman siguro. Hindi. The reason na binili ko siya is because I wanted to have a MacBook Pro. I do wanted a laptop again, pero I choose to have the iPad instead. Maganda kasi siya is because I have the pen, and also I can do my work, and anytime mayroon siyang tab. Yun yung mas maganda doon, and may have the pen. And now guys, nagdadalawang isip ako if I'm going to buy another MacBook or I'm going to buy Magic Keyboard. So this cost only 16,999 pesos. Nabili ko lang siya for just 14,990 pesos, which is nakatipid ako ng almost 2,000 pesos. Pag kasi guys, bumili ka sa Shopee or bumili ka sa ibang mga stores within online, same pa din siya, 16,000. Also, if you're going to buy to the iStore. Pero since they are a dealer, they have a discount something. So, ayan. Ito na siya guys. Nili ko is white. I have the iPad Pro, MacBook Pro, siya silver din. Ito yung parang draft niya, kung makikita niya sa loob. So I just seeing it this guys for references if you want to buy. And it's for iPad Air 4th generation, iPad Pro 11-inch. Sorry guys, nandito kasi kami sa hotel. So, nandito kami sa Iloilo. Yeah. And then this is for iPad, lahat ng iPad Air 4th generation, the iPad Pro, which is our 3rd generation. Ayan. This includes Magic Keyboard for iPad, and then keyboard white. So, let's do the unboxing. So, guys, original talaga siya. Oh. Yan siya. So, nandito yung ano niya, guys. Yung kukunin natin yung plastic. Oh, diba? 16,000. Pero nabili ko lang siya, guys, for like 15,000 pesos. Instead of typing inside your iPad, you can type it here. Pero sabi ng iba, is impractical. But for me, I do online work, so I think it's very worth it. But we cannot see if it is. Okay. Sorry guys, may mga sound dito. Dito kasi yung kapatid ko at si mom. Oh guys, tingnan nyo dito. Meron siyang parang ng saksakan ng ano. Saksakan ng tawag dito. Yung parang ano din, parang laptop talaga siya guys. If you going to combine, parang ano siya, transformer. If you're going to combine the iPad and then the keyboard, it turns into a MacBook. Pero may touch. Wala lang. Okay. There it is guys. So, inside the box, we have the Magic Keyboard, and then wala na. Finish na. So, meron siyang parang meron siyang parang plastic. Same thing to all the Apple product. Meron siyang parang takip. Yung na-unbox yung iPad, meron din ito. Ito guys, kukunin natin to. Oh my god. Hala, very fragile. So, ito na siya. Wala na. So, ito na siya guys. So, dito guys, meron siyang parang saksakan. Saksakan dito sa kabila. Dito wala. Ito. You're going to open this one. Ay, baliktad. Kasi nandito yung ano niya, oh. So, dito natin nilalagay yung iPad. Okay? So, dito yung parang flexible siya. So, dito yung iPad something. Ayan. And meron siyang logo guys. The logo. Yan. So, going to open it. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. You're going to open. So, inside the... Oh my God. Inside this one, we have of course, the brochure and all the paper thingy sa loob ng isang box. So, we have this one. Ayan o. Medyo classy. Mas classy siya, guys. Kasi meron siyang ganito. So, sa loob nito, guys, we have the pictures. Ayan. We have the brochure and then the instructions. And then, aside from instructions, wala siyang sticker. Wala siyang sticker. So, sa loob nito, there is an instruction how to do it. How to put your iPad. Here's the Magic Keyboard. And then, dito guys, is kind of a leather. Leather siya. Pero, for me, it's kind of delicate or like very fragile when it comes to stains. Kasi parang makukuha yung, ano, bakit puti yung kinuha mo, Will? Pero maganda naman yung puti. Very classy, you know. And then here, we have the fiber. Kind of like a leathery something. And then dito guys, meron siyang parang, ayan. Nakikita nyo ba? Ito, 3 dots. And we're going to put our iPad there. Tapos dito sa iPad natin, mayroon 3 dots din, which is to connect your iPad to your keyboard. And then we have the keys. Yung keys natin, same na din sa ating MacBook Pro. But, I don't know if going to glow. Hindi ko pa siya na-try if it's glowing or not. Hopefully. So, we have here the keyboard, the QWERTY keyboard, and then the touchpad. That's the reason siguro it's worth 16,000 pesos. Ang ganda nyo, promise. Tapos if you're going to fold your iPad, ayan. Ayan, you have the iPad. Parang iPad na siya nga, oh. iPad na siya. So let's try guys, let's try. Yeah, we're going to put our iPad. Oh, ayan na. We're going to put our iPad and we're going to bend. Okay guys, let's continue. May housekeeping kasi. So we have, medyo mabigat siya guys ah. So we have here our iPad and then, mabibend ba siya? Ganyan lang. Ganyan lang talaga siya. Okay guys, we're all good. Pala wait lang. There's an instruction for the lights. Kasi di ako naniniwala na wala siyang lights. Pero baka isa prank. Wala nga. So, you need to put, you can open Magic Keyboard and fold back to attach iPad. So, okay guys, all good na tayo guys. We have the Apple Magic Keyboard and then we have our iPad. After yan guys, ano mo lang dito. So, then going to close it. And then you have your iPad with the Apple Keyboard. So, ilalagay mo lang dito yung pen mo. You have the pen. Yan. In regards to our keyboard guys, I have our keyboard na here. For me, 8 out of 10. First, gusto ko kasi yung parang ma-secure yung pen. Kasi nandito lang siya. Second is mabigat siya. Because meron siyang parang, meron tayong keyboard. And then, yung magnetic dito. Third, hindi ko makikita yung Apple logo. Ayan. Wala siyang Apple logo! And then, medyo fragile siya kasi puti siya. I am very disappointed. It's because wala siyang light. Oh! Hala! Nagla-light! Nagla-light! Ay, joke. Guys, nagla-light! Guys, nagla-light! Guys, oh! Yan, oh! Oh my god, ang bobo ko naman. Bobo naman. And guys, thank you very much guys for watching guys. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow me Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter account. And see you in my next vlog. Adios mi amigos. God!
I got deja vu when I saw you at a table at a road spot set for two. With that look in your eye when you smile like you always do. This time it wasn't me that was sitting there next to you.